Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. We are ready now to further make a bit of the enhancement in our the system in which allocation of stock and um, viewing of the inventory status, stock status, yeah, is to be shown in the sale order form, so that instead of that you go to the product report and then see what is the status of the quantities purchased, sold, and on hold. So why not that it should become visible at the at that sale order form, when you enter a sale order which is already existing, for example, 83. Okay, when you press enter, so you are displayed the 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 products which are already listed in it. Okay, fair enough. So now you can, since this is a new order, you can make the changes in here, right? So, but what is the stock status? For this, you don't want to go to close the form, and so why not we make an arrangement here so that all those four elements which are shown at the back, there's a purchase, sold, on hold, and this, they are displayed for the selected product, right? So that you can in advance see. Instead of that, at the time of the update, it validates and let you know that some products are short of the stock. So why not that as soon as you select some product, you select this product, so this becomes available. At the same time, it displays that that much stock is available, and what is the backup, so how much is on hold and what is. So let's display that in this area, and it should be dynamically displaying whatever the product you select, it will display its stock. So this will uh, require, this will make no need to go to close the form and go and see that. The information will be handy, uh, will be handy for you uh, in while you are in this form, right? So without closing this, the information is displayed for you, right? So let's do it. I come back to you. So yes, in the meantime, I have made available these arrangements of the same, in which uh, in the text box you will be able to see the stock position, means how much of the selected item has been purchased, sold, on hold, or waste, and how about this order's quantity posted into the inventory already, right? If it is already inventory, so you don't have to deduct it because this has already been posted, right? So this is how we have done. So let's see how we are doing. You know that it is based on the click. When we click it, when we click any item, it starts working. So keep the word click in your mind and the list box. When you click a list box, so list box click is the event in which these have to be fulfilled, right? These blanks have to be filled. fill in the blanks. Okay, so let's go to the Develop tab, go to this form and click on this, right? So this is a change event. This is the click event, right? And the click event, as soon as these are here, so this is the place where we, so first of all, uh, make sure that you have properly named the named it. Means that these the purchased is named as purchased, sold is named as sold, on hold is named as on without a space, hold, and waste. And waste is there. And this order quantity. So we will use it. And one more thing is required here. That is, I believe, the cal the final calculation of the balance available. Yeah, available quantity. So let's put a available quantity in here. So we will insert this one, available quantity or quantity available. Okay, so this is the quantity available. Okay, so this is our arrangement which we have made. Now, yeah, we make it short and this how. Make it a bit bigger because there can be some big values in here. Okay. So let's go back to the click event, which we were working on it. The list box one, click event, and purchased has already been looked up. We have look up what? Looking up the product, right? Which is already here, product, right? And in the SO view, we are looking it up in from C to R. On the 11th is the purchase. So 12th is the sold. So easy. So we copy this and make it sold. From the purchase can be easily converted into the sold. So just replace purchase with sold, and this will remain all the same and only make 12 8. So this will get the figure of sold, right? Because if you go to the Excel sheet in SO view, if you select from the C column, and you see this is 12th column. On the top left corner, you can see that this is 11 was purchased, 12 is the sold, and 13, 14, and then already proceed was 16. Okay. So let's go back to here, and from the sold, we make it on hold. Control C, Control V. So this will be on hold. On hold. On hold is equal to the same thing here, and only make this 12 to 13, that is on hold, right? Next is waste. Fair enough. The waste is waste. Haste makes waste. So this is 13, and this will become 14, right? And now we want the will 11, 12, 13, 14, right? So what is the next? The next one is, if you go here, yeah, this. So we don't need this, we need this already posted, right? If anything is already posted, that is R. So this order, its name is this order, right? So we will paste it here. Yeah. So change this order. Sorry, this order instead of this order, it is quantity. Yeah, this order is. So we have to pick the exact name. What is it written? So this is this order. Okay. So let's get back here and should replace sold with this order. This order, and this is going to be 14 probably, because 13 was a double check. Okay. If you go back to the Sisufa and see that how long is it away from, this is 16. So the first one was 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so this was 13, on hold was 13, and waste was 14. First, you have to make sure that waste is taken into the consideration. Okay, so waste is 14, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, and this is 15 is blank. So this is 16. 16. So this order is gets 16, and the last one is the quantity available. So you go and check what is the name of this. This is quantity available. Okay, quantity available. So we double click here and we go and we change it. Control C, and we put Control V here, and this is quantity available. Quantity available is equal to, so so now we will not make it 17 because it is not here. Rather, quantity available is actually this number. So how far is it? If this is 11, so this is certainly 10. Okay, solve it. So this will be 10. Now let's quickly run the program and see if we are not very much ambitious, that it will come, it will be displayed correctly. Okay. 83. So it has displayed all the 3 items. Now you select anything, you select this, and it fills all this information. It is telling you that 675 is still, you can make an order. The quantity is available for yes. Okay, 675. So let's go and check. 675. Does it make sense? Yes, 675. Okay. 675 is the right quantity available in here. We have to find out the why this is not multiplied by 1. It is left justified. Anyway, that's not for the moment issue. It is displaying correctly. If you select something else, it gets refreshed. 155, you see 155, right? 370, 15, etc. So it is correctly showing you and it is guiding you that where uh, if there is any problem with the stock, that will be displayed then and there. Instead of that, you wait for the update. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this concept, and I look forward to your joining with us in our next upcoming videos. Thank you very much.